You've made your profits, or maybe it's just time to move some funds. Either way, withdrawing from your account should be fast, simple, and secure. At Coinlocally, we make sure every withdrawal is processed safely with full control in your hands. In this short guide, we'll walk you through the steps, from choosing the right coin and network, to confirming your address and security codes. Let's show you how to make your withdrawal the right way. First, log into your account. From the top menu on the right side of the page, click on the Withdraw option under the Wallet section to be directed to the Withdrawal page. From the Select Currency section, you can choose the currency you wish to withdraw. In the second section, you must enter the destination wallet address, the address of the wallet to which you intend to transfer your assets. In the next section called Select Network, you can specify the desired network for the selected currency. In the third step, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and click the Withdraw button. Next, the withdrawal transaction details will be displayed. If everything is correct, click the Continue button. On the next page, enter the 6-digit code sent to your email in the Email Verification Code field and the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator in the Google Verification Code field. Finally, click the Confirm button. Your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted, and the selected currency will be transferred to your chosen wallet address. You can also view the details of your withdrawal transaction in the Recent Withdrawals section on the Withdrawal page.